Nizothi district, but we have to speak about this one. Why am I seeing people who've been married for 2 years giving relationship advice at these relationship seminars? We want to see people who've been married for 10 years. The requirement should be 10 years or more, not 10 years or less. We need people who've been married for 10 years advising us people who are single. This is how you do it. When on a 2-year marriage, khawuhlale in the audience, 30 notes. Because ufuna ndoni wena? What advice of substance uzosinika yona wena? Uchate for 2 years, khawulinde. Khawulinde ufike kwi 10 years, then uthathe imike ucebisa abantu. Yo, niyathanda uzenza. Nyani, niyathanda uzenza. Entsha ngoku kwabantu abasingle abacebisayo pha. We don't want to hear ukuthi wena ulast. We don't want to hear it. Ufana nathi. Ngoba wena anything ozoyithetha pha nathi siyayenza. And sifuna uva kwabantu abatshate for 10 years basicebisa ukuthi you know what, I've been married for 10 years, this is what I did. Sifuna uveza nto thina. Le yabantu umuntu utshate for 2 years sesispeaker ngoku kwi-marriage seminars. Hayibo uleqaphi khawulinde ufike kwi-10 years. And to the people who host these seminars, why don't you guys have that requirement?